Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to create section level template and how to use it to write the prescription on an iOS device. So let's go to queue. We have a patient here under My OPD. Let's start the visit for this patient by clicking on RX, right? This is the prescription pad to write the prescription for the patient. Let's say, for example, we want to write few medicines which we want to save it in the form of a template so that we can reuse it whenever we want. In that case, we can simply click on prescribe. We have to search the medicines. We have to add the medicines one by one. After adding all the medicines, towards the right hand side, parallel to medications, we can see a save button. We have to click on it. Here we have to provide the template name. So we can give a name that connects or relates to the medicines that we are saving in the form of a template so that we can easily use the template. So I'm mentioning this as viral fever. Let's click on save template now and let's click on close. And let's click on save. This way we can save all the details in the form of section level template so that we can easily write the prescription. So let's click on send RX. Let's click on confirm. Let's click on end visit. With this we have saved the section level template. Now we will see how to use the saved template. So let's add a patient. Let's say we want to start a visit for this patient. We can just click on write RX. We'll follow the usual flow. Now let's click on prescribe. Let's say we want to add those 3 medicines through the template that we have saved. We can simply click on TMX at the bottom. We can select the template and we can click on use template. With a single click, we'll be able to add the medicines. If required, we can make necessary changes, like editing option is available. So let's say we want to edit Dolo 650 tablet. We want to change dose or frequency. We can make the necessary changes here like this. After making the changes, we can click on save. And if required, we can save this in the form of a template again. The updated template for this particular set of medication. So if we click on save, we can click on send RX, we can click on review RX. As we can see, medication is added. So this is how we can create section level templates and we can use it while writing the prescription, which will save a lot of time. Thank you for watching.